All right, so we're almost there. We're kind of near it. I have to fix this front piece because apparently if it gets pushed too far forward, it cracks. So needs a redesign, but that's pretty easy. It's not like a technical piece. It's just a rigidity. I'm using I think it's a Silver Fox 25, SF25. And then I have I think it's a 19.5-inch Kuriaka barrel. And I'm going to be shooting 6 Saber 1 grams, 6 Worker 1 grams, and then 6 Saber 1.2 gram darts. I'll try to set you up somewhere you can see. Okay. So the first are going to be the 6 Saber darts. 1 grams. This is the last Saber 1 gram. Now we're on the Workers. I think that was the last Worker. Now we're on the Saber Heavies. And that's the last of it. And then, as with all my blasters, fully safe to dry fire without damaging the seal at all.